How to set default values for items on boards in monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set default values for item in monday.com. So first, you can open your Monday dashboard, and then on the Monday dashboard here, you can choose the board you want to add the default values. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. If you don't have the board yet, you can just click add item here and then you can click board. Then you can click new board. So it's gonna be a new board from scratch. You can just name it my board maybe, and then click create board. And after that, as you can see, there are items here, and we're gonna set the default values for items. So if we add new item, it's gonna be there are default values. Now, after you create a board, you can just go to three dots here. You see there is the third line, my board, and this one, and this one. You can just click three dots here. And then, as you can see, there are four options. You can choose default items values. You can click it. And then you can set the values for the items. So let's say for the person, you can choose the person you want to add as a default. Let's say this one. And for the status, you can choose, let's say this one, working on it. And then for the date, you can add it or not. It's up to you. And after that, you can just click save. After you click save, whenever you add item, it's gonna be there are default values, maybe like this for example. And as you can see, this is the default values for your item. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.